Kartikeya Deepam. When you say Kartikeya Deepam, you are associated with Tiruvannamalai. Because Tiruvannamalai temple, Annamalaya temple is very famous for the celebration of Kartikeya Deepam. And here the Deepam is known as Sarvalaya Deepam. And the festival is celebrated on full moon day in the month of Kartikeya, when there is Chaturtasi. The association of Chaturtasi, Bharani, Kritikai with Paurnami is taken to celebrate festival here, Kartikeya Deepam here. So morning, the Deepam is known as Bharani Deepam, and the evening it is Tiruvannamalai Deepam. Vishnu Deepam. Vishnu Deepam is celebrated in all Vaishnava temples. This falls on full moon day, but the full moon day not to have Bharani and Chaturtasi. That is why we find the difference of one day between Tiruvannamalai Deepam and Vishnu Deepam. And all these calculations are based on Shastras and the presence of stars. So we have Panchangam, in which we find all the dates are mentioned with the Nadigai, that is the Muhurtam of lighting the lamps is also mentioned. It is based on the calculations which were followed in the earlier time, the ancient period. Pamara tree is well connected with Kartikeya celebration. The tree is useful to us in many ways. The leaves are used for covering the roof of the house. Then trunk portion is used as fuel wood, and fiber is made out of it, and fruits are eaten by the people, and this is used for celebration too. So on the day of Kartikeya festival, the trunk portion is installed in front of the temple, and it is well covered with the leaves, and it looks like a tower. They make a shape of tower. And in the evening, lights from Garbhagriha of the temple are taken out. That is, initially they light the lamps inside the temple, and one of the lights, the bigger one, that is made out of clay, that is called Madakku in Tamil. So that is taken out, and the Jwala from that is taken, the fire from this is taken to burn this Chokkapane. See, they do that. Chokkapane with huge flame, it burns, and people believe that this is the Agni form of Shiva. And people take the ash to their houses and believe that will ward off the evils. And they take fire from this and light the lamps at their houses. Normally the temples used to do this during the Muhurta time. They fix an auspicious time for doing this, and this is followed in all the temples. Burning Chokkapane is followed in Lord Muruga's temples, Lord Vishnu's temples, and Lord Shiva's temples. Here you find one of the Arupadai temples of Muruga, and the other temple is Sarangapani Perumal temple. So there you find, in both the temples, there you find people burning the Chokkapane. There is a significance for this. That is, when you burn this, it is like burning our negative thinking, and negative actions, negative feelings, and we move to the right direction, we move to the right path with the light given out. So that is the meaning of this. That is the purpose of doing this. And we are giving up all our negative thinking. And this is not for one individual. They do this for the entire country, entire community, entire society. So this is leading people. This is making people to this is an indicative of consciousness, awareness and liberation. So you become conscious of Atma, because Atma is getting lit up with a fuel that is like oil, and the light is given out. That light takes us in the right path.